Meow meow.
It's November 11, and today in Philippine history, Martin Delgado was born in Santa Barbara, Iloilo in 1858. His parents were Jacinto Delgado and Gabriela Bermejo, a wealthy Spanish mestizo couple. Martin attended local schools until he was sent to Manila to complete his education in Ateneo Municipal. Delgado served as Teniente Mayor and Capitan Municipal of his hometown under Spanish rule and later as the revolutionary governor of his province. His victories were often heralded in newspapers like La República Filipina. When the Americans arrived, he continued to fight, but he yielded to a petition from the people of Iloilo to surrender for the benefit of, quote, the victims of useless resistance. End quote. This article from El Progreso in 1901 described the solemn and dignified surrender of Martin Delgado. A photo also exists of Delgado marching into Haro ahead of more than 100 soldiers of the well-organized Ilonggo Army to the U.S. imperialist forces. Among those he had led was Teresa Magbanua, a former schoolteacher who participated in all three resistance movements against colonizers: Spain in the Philippine Revolution, the U.S. in the Philippine-American War, and Japan in World War II. Back to Martin Delgado. The Americans recognized his skill and appointed him the first governor of Iloilo when the civil government started in April 1901. A year later, he was elected governor again in a free election. After his term, he returned to his hometown of Santa Barbara. Later, he served as the superintendent of a leprosy sanitarium in Culion, Palawan. This was a strange career choice in my opinion, because as far as I know, he did not contract leprosy. Did he have a loved one who had leprosy who he wanted to be close to? I don't know. If you have some primary documents about this, please send them my way. Martin Delgado died in Culion on November 12, 1918 at the age of 60. His statue was erected in his hometown of Santa Barbara in 1998 and in front of the Casa de Emperador at the Iloilo Business Park in 2019. Delgado Street in Iloilo City is named after him. Sana gaya ni Martin Delgado, matuto tayong tumindig para sa bayan at para sa kapwa kapag tinawag. Maging magiting. O, diba?